everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen. Before we jump into our class, I would like to announce that I am changing the format and changing the class length of our seasonal cycles. I did make a post, but just in case you missed that, what we're going to be doing going forward is shorter season cycle classes. It's 20 to 25 minute long, give and take, a few here and there, because according to the almighty analytics and AI algorithm gods of YouTube, people are really just wanting shorter classes. So I am responding to that and changing up the lengths. But the intention of the flow of the whole series remains the same, yes? And that is to respond to the changing seasons and how that reflects in our body, in our mindset, and our emotional state as well. For a better overview of what the season cycles is, please go to the first introduction video of this series. It remains the same. It's only the length of the classes that have changed. I have also changed the titles of these new shorter format flows into mini flows, and it will be sequential. I'm going to keep the first three classes in the playlist, but I have re-edited them as well into those shorter formats. And again, the mini flows, as the titles will be prefaced, will just be sequential, and you can pick and choose whichever flow you feel like doing. It's really good for those who are time poor. Again, they will just be short format classes. But if you do want even shorter classes, we have the espresso yoga flows for that. Yeah, for that quick burst of energy in the morning, or that release of stress in the evening, but you can't afford to have any longer than maybe 10 minutes. That's the espresso flows. But if you have around 20 to 25 minutes, again, give and take a few, enjoy our season cycles. And I will see you in our first full mini flow.